Welcome! Today, we're exploring essential oils and their benefits for hair growth. Whether you're battling thinning hair, striving for longer locks, or seeking healthier hair, essential oils could be the remedy you need. Join us as we explore the top 11 oils for maximum hair growth. Some individuals effortlessly grow long, thick hair, while others struggle to maintain even the shortest lengths. But fear not! Essential oils offer a natural and proven method to stimulate hair growth and prevent loss. Derived from concentrated plant components, these oils not only nourish your hair but also positively impact your overall health. From reducing stress and anxiety to relieving physical pain and headaches, their benefits are endless. But do essential oils truly accelerate hair growth? To understand this, let's break down the hair growth process. Hair growth occurs in 3 phases: anagen, catagen, and telogen. The anagen phase, or active growth phase, is crucial as it's when hair cells rapidly divide, resulting in lengthened hair strands. Some individuals have longer anagen phases, allowing for the growth of longer, fuller hair, while others may have shorter phases, limiting hair growth potential. Essential oils play a pivotal role in maintaining the anagen phase while delaying the catagen phase, where hair growth halts. For example, lavender oil has been shown to prolong the anagen phase, promoting increased hair growth. On the other hand, peppermint oil stimulates the early onset of the anagen phase, facilitating rapid hair growth. Scientific studies have also supported the effectiveness of essential oils in combating hair loss and promoting growth. Aromatherapy, which utilizes essential oils, has been proven to be an effective treatment for alopecia areata, a condition where the body's immune cells attack hair follicles, leading to hair loss. This condition is often triggered by genetic factors or emotional stress, highlighting the role of essential oils in reducing stress and scalp inflammation. So, how can you incorporate essential oils into your hair care routine for maximum growth and repair? The answer lies in simple yet effective methods. By adding just 2 to 3 drops of your chosen essential oil to a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil, you can create a potent hair treatment. Remember, essential oils are highly potent, so it's crucial not to use too many drops. Massage the oil blend into your scalp, ensuring to cover all areas thoroughly. Leave it on for as little as 5 to 10 minutes for a quick treatment, or for an even deeper treatment, leave it in overnight. This oil mask not only nourishes the scalp but also works wonders for dry ends, leaving your hair revitalized from root to tip. When it's time to wash it off, make sure to shampoo your hair at least twice to thoroughly remove the oil and enjoy the full benefits. Finally, follow up with your regular conditioner for added nourishment and hydration. If you're short on time, you can also add 1 drop of essential oil to your shampoo, wait a few minutes, and then wash out before conditioning your hair. Now, let's explore the top 11 essential oils for promoting hair growth, starting with lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil promotes cell growth, prevents stress-induced hair loss, and improves scalp health. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil increases blood circulation to the scalp, accelerates hair growth, and reduces product buildup. Rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil contains carnosic acid, which enhances circulation, cellular turnover, and nerve growth, resulting in thicker hair. Cedarwood essential oil. Cedarwood essential oil has antifungal properties that treat dandruff and hair loss, while also balancing oil production. Lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil strengthens hair follicles, reduces dandruff, and prevents inflammation. Thyme essential oil. Thyme essential oil improves blood circulation, prevents follicle infection, and promotes healthy hair growth. Clary sage essential oil. Clary sage essential oil strengthens hair, adds volume, and reduces stress-induced hair loss. Tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil unclogs hair follicles, reduces scalp itchiness, and maintains scalp health. Ylang-Ylang essential oil. Ylang-Ylang essential oil conditions hair, stimulates sebum production, and reduces stress levels. Chamomile essential oil. Chamomile essential oil moisturizes the scalp, soothes irritation, and promotes hair strength. Geranium essential oil. Geranium essential oil balances sebum production, enhances hair follicle formation, and prevents hair breakage. There you have it, the top 11 essential oils for maximum hair growth. Whether you're looking to combat hair loss, achieve longer locks, or simply improve the overall health of your hair, these natural remedies can make a significant difference.